So a nigga ain't had no direction. Locked up in my own mental prison. Suicide on my mind, no one listen. Made a nigga remain so distant from the ones that can help me cope with it. Hard closed, nigga feeling indifferent. Could not stand on my own. Pain in my dome, fucking up my zone. Dreams surrounded in darkness. Heartless, mind fucked up, thoughts littered with garbage. Desolate, my soul, my pace move lethargic. All of this pain is what made me an artist. Pick myself up off the ground. Push a nigga forth where they chalk him out. Needed rain in my endless route. Cause all the nigga rivers filled up with doubt. Free, let me tell you why I'm me. Cause the nigga grew up in the coldest of streets. Hood real gonna make you fold up your dreams. Old school system breeding clones from the weak. Robbing and stealing, but the plot only thinking cause the cops hitting niggas before they reach for the phone. Try intervention, but the confidence missing. So they got all the children and they tricked them a hoe. Damn, feeling like death. Where do you turn when a nigga need help? Trapped in your conscience, your passion gon' melt. You busy watching what they doing, you fail. I'm trying to show you that a nigga been there. Crucify myself, a story to tell. If you thinking that you stuck in a jail, the key is in the room, you standing right there.
When you lost in this world, man, it's hard to relate. And your back's on the wall, only twist it go straight. Road signs left, right, which path do you take? Only one lead the way, tell me which one this done for your fate.
Nigga, which path you gon' choose? Both got their purple, one is for the few. Other is bright and golden, shining too. Either one you pick, you win or you lose. One is for the dark and one is for truth. One will keep the voices, one is on mute. One will keep you hanging inside the noose. Other teach you all the ways to unloose.
Flashback, see no feature in my past acts. Backstrap fit me loose, I had no pad packed. Bad stats in my school, mom and dad's bats. So what's a youngin' to do when cops flashbacks? I mean, I always had a knack for rap. Ill map, ready to die, etc. Tracks. Feel trapped, put on the track, you feeling relaxed. I just wanna do the same shit with my crack.
Young nigga, but my heart is timeless. No price on my soul, shit filled up a gold, motherfucker, you know that's priceless. 2 grams ain't enough, nigga, keep your blunt, won't smoke it, the shit ain't the finest. Niggas talk about what they got, when you check on these niggas, motherfuckers be lying. Bow down to the motherfucking highness. Fire start hibachi, nigga, OG like Hiachi. Break up your whole posse, y'all niggas moving too sloppy. Flow, hitting like I'm Rocky, independent, you can't drop me. No, East Coast be my army, if I tell them shoot, they got me. Go. Raised in the belly of the beast, born in the war, but my heart with the peace. Raising up gods every time that I speak. When we all get involved, ain't no starving to eat. Making sure all of my niggas gon' feast. Y'all on the scene while we chasing the cream. Roll up the leaves, nigga, spark at the tree. You ain't got no weed, nigga, fuck you mean, nigga, fuck you mean.
My aura go to the oracle. I'm the illest motherfucker, incurable. I went through all the bull about a toilet full. Then royal flush, I want all the loot. Man, this how I be clutched like Kobe do. And I'm living in LA, so that's only proof. Got a bitch in the bay that love the shrooms. She be screaming AK when I shove the broom. It's a mismatch, can't hold us. Better get back, you ain't no soldier. Fuck your sister, guess what she told us. You a bitch ass nigga since strollers. Now hold up, smoking good. Fronto wrapped around the OG in my hood, it's understood. If AK be winning, then you know you could. Psych, bitch can't kill my vibe, I'm on a everlasting high. Want peace of mind and peace of pie. If it's not both, then take my life. I'm blowing smoke until I die. High as heaven, watch me fly. Look within you, probably find a place, go home, boy, live your life.
Fuck up my cash flow, fuck it, let's waste it. We advance though, even your fans know. Y'all niggas basic, smoking hash bowls, we lit like candles. niggas, they faded. You and your man jokes, be with your damn hoes. Them bitches waste, I'm blowing gas. Smoke, fuck up my cash flow. Fuck it, let's waste it. We advanced though, even your fans know. Y'all niggas basic, smoking hash bowls. We lit like candles, niggas, they faded. You and your man joke, be with your damn hoes. Them bitches wasted.
One thing is sure.